Welcome to our channel, Let's Cook with Izzy. I'm Dave, and this is my 6-year-old daughter.
I'm Izzy.
And she's wanted to cook for a long time. So, I thought it would be fun if we cooked together. And while she learns, you can follow along and learn too. What should we cook today?
Pizza.
Pizza? Oh, okay, that's a good idea. So today we're gonna make some pizza. Are you ready to cook?
Yes.
All right, great. What do we have to do first though?
Wash your hands.
Yes, indeed. Let's go wash our hands.
You have to wash your hands.
Yep.
You have to wash your hands at the same time as me.
Good.
As you put it on.
You got it.
That's hot.
All right. Now we're all set to cook. Since Izzy is just starting to cook, we're gonna do everything really simple. We're gonna make pizza today. To make it simple, I bought store-bought pizza skin and sauce, and she's gonna put her own toppings on. So we have a pizza base there, and some sauce, and Izzy, you can put that on, okay?
Okay.
And I'll get a spoon to...
For me to spread it.
Yes,
Or you can spread it, Dad. Oh ho ho. It is gonna be good.
Make sure you keep it on this. There you go. You're doing a good job. Good job. Now take the back of the spoon and you can spread it around. All the way to the edge.
Is the video on?
Yes, it is.
Well, we were not talking.
So,
Here, Dad, you can spread it.
I can do some?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll just go all the way to the edges like this. Make sure the sauce is everywhere.
All ready.
What do you think we should put on next?
We should put on
Maybe some cheese?
cheese. I'm gonna
Cheese it is.
And then I'm gonna put some cheese on. That. Yeah.
Okay.
That's just not enough.
Okay, that's good. Now, how about some pepperonis?
Yes. Now we just need a little bit of this much.
Go ahead and add your pepperoni.
Okay, just that.
Wherever you'd like. Goes all over. Want some help?
Yes, you can.
I can? Okay. You can put some over there too. Lots of pepperoni or just a little bit?
I just love a lot.
All right. And then to put on top, we have some Parmigiano Reggiano that's already been grated. And this is fresh. Yes, you may.
You do just that.
You're welcome, Chef Bell.
I'm just calling you Chef Dad because you're helping me.
All right. They look good?
Yep.
Okay. So, this one is ready. We'll put it
do you have to
on
wash our hands?
the pizza pan. Not again.
Oh.
And we'll get our second one ready.
Yep. I just ate the other part of the cheese that does that.
Okay, go ahead and put that one on.
You can spread it this time, yeah.
Okay. Simple things are always fun to do with the kids. It gets them the ability to learn and allows them to make some stuff themselves.
But it's okay if kids are not grown-ups, because you can still cook too.
That's right. Good job. Got it all?
Yep.
Okay, here, wipe your hands on this. Okay, cut out some cheese again.
Yeah. We're doing the same thing.
Mm-hmm. But this time, I'm gonna make it with sausage. That sound good?
Yeah.
When you're making a pizza with sausage, you can either cook it beforehand, or if you're just using little dollops like this, you don't have to cook it because it's going to cook while it's in the oven. So you can just put it on raw. This is fresh Italian sausage.
Can you put a little bit more about?
In a second you can put a different one.
Like I wanna put this one on.
And we can put some of that one on. And on top, we're just going to put a little bit of
Oh, it's so strong.
cheddar and Monterey Jack. There you go, get it all
I
over
wanna
the
put this
place.
on this side. I haven't had this kind of pizza on.
No. And then we're going to put a little bit of parm on the top again. Got
It's
it?
gonna be extra good.
Yes, it is. Alrighty. These are all ready for the oven, so you ready to put them in?
Yes.
Okay.
Just
Cool.
that.
Put the oven for me.
Can I put the other one on there?
Push it on. No, you do. Push it on. There you go. Put that all the way down. All right. Close the door. Okay, these are in the oven at 450 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm back. Okay, we just checked the pizzas and I think they're ready to go. So, Izzy, you want to help me get them out?
Yep. And I forgot to tell you that's so, it's so good.
All the way down. All the way down. Good job. Wow.
Oh my, good job, Dad. Chef Dad. Good job, Chef Dad. Good job, Chef Dad.
Carefully put the oven back up.
Oh my gosh, it's hot in there.
Yes, it is.
Again. I can
Oh,
make it.
great.
Look. See?
It's very sharp.
I can
Okay,
make
I'll
it.
get it, yeah. I think she did a pretty good job on her first try.
Of what? Of what, Chef Dad? Of what, Chef Dad? Of what? What is off?
We have Izzy's pepperoni pizza and Dad's Italian sausage pizza, right? All right.
Hopefully it's in the backpack.
Very cool. So thank you for watching, And I hope you enjoyed.
And subscribe.
And what are you gonna do? What are we gonna do next time?
We're gonna do green eggs and ham.
Green eggs and ham. That sounds kind of cool. So join us next time for learn how to make green eggs and ham. Thanks for watching.